Hello everyone. Today in this lecture, I'm going to explain you how to execute the first Django project. So everyone follow the steps carefully. Whatever I'm telling you, please note it down on the book. After completion of the video, please do this process. Step number one, you have to go to any one of the drive which you are having. I'm selecting the E drive, create one folder. This folder basically, whatever our regular projects will be there, that projects will store into this project. So project name, you can give anything. I'm giving here PR Softwares project. Open this folder. After opening this folder, click on this empty space. Then you have to go on the command prompt. So click on this empty space and type CMD, that is command prompt, and enter. So your command prompt will get open. And as you can see, this folder is empty. Everybody make sure you should create a separate folder so that you will not get any confusion. Step number two, step number one, everybody write it down, create the folder. Step number two, once you are into this folder, then what you have to do? Create a project. So how to create? Django -admin start project and project name. Project name you can give anything. I'm giving my project name is as project 1 and enter. When you enter, as you can see, one folder got created. If you want to enter into this folder, you have to write cd space project 1 and enter. So I enter into this project. It means I double click on this one. Meaning is that. So my project is ready, guys. Now I have to create the app inside my project. To create the app, you have to write py space manage.py start app and your app name. I'm giving my app name as first app. Guys, here many people are getting confused. I have seen in the lab. Instead of this first app, they are trying to give any name. You can give, but when you are giving into the setting file, that time you have to little carefully. So just you remember project name is this one and app name is this one. These two things you remember how to add into the file that I will tell you. So you can write step number 2 is create the project and step number 3 is create the app and enter. When you enter, you will see here, this is project folder and this is app folder. It means your project is ready to open in the PyCharm. Everybody clear? Okay. Now what you have to do? Go to your PyCharm, open the PyCharm, click on this file, click on open. Here the steps are very carefully. Yesterday, 50% student have chosen the wrong folder. What is the meaning of wrong folder? See here. My projects are stored into which folder, guys? I created PR software projects. Am I right? So this is my folder name. PR software project is my folder. Many people selected directly this folder, but actually you should not select this folder. What project folder you created? Project 1. So you select project 1, not the above one. This is the common mistake many people have done yesterday. Okay. So select this folder name. You can give any name, not a problem. Click on OK. Trust this project and just this one. Now, when you come here, you first check it whether your project folder and app folder both created or not. It is created. Okay. Few things what you have to remember here is when you are going to the settings file, we have to add our app name. So one student, what he does yesterday is while entering the app name, he was trying to give his own name. But I told you very clearly in the explanation, we have to take the app name. What is my app name in this one, guys? First app. So you compulsory add here only first app. Don't write any other name as per your own choice. Everyone clear with this one? So whatever the app name, that name is coming. Completed. That's it. Your app is ready. Next, I told go to which file? Views file. In the views file, you can write your own function name. Let us say I'm writing def display. In bracket, we are writing request. And here it is very important. What many people done, they wrote directly HTTP small like this. I didn't tell you like that. What I told you, you should write H capital HTTP response. Bracket, whatever you want to write, you have to write hello everyone. Whatever you want, you can write. Now what will happen when this error is coming? Many people are proceeding with this error. No. When error is coming, you have to take your cursor here. Here you will get an import option. If this import option is not coming, it means you have done some mistake here in the spelling. So check the spelling properly. If spelling is proper, definitely this import will come and click here. So automatically you see that error has, this step is very important. Very carefully guys. My view is completed. What is next file we did? URLs. So go to the URLs. In the URLs, here also same mistake everybody done. You are trying to change this URL guys. Don't change this URL. These are the predefined. Okay. So by default it is coming these two URL. Below that you add your URL. Your file name is, now here again app name. App name is first app. Many students wrote whatever they want. No, not possible. So compulsory spelling mistake also, many people have done the spelling mistakes. First app should be same. If here error is coming, it means you do not give the proper app name. That is you have to remember. Then import what is there in your app, first app views file. So views. If these both are getting error, it means you have done some spelling mistake here guys. You should be very careful with that. Clear? Next step, after this comma, you write here path in bracket. You can write anywhere. Suppose I'm writing PR softwares, comma. Here I told you what is the name of the file, views dot display, and don't give here bracket. So if here any error is coming guys, either the spelling mistake or this path is not properly done. Many of you were having this problem yesterday. Make sure it should be very clear. Everyone clear here in doubts? Now the next is my all the data is ready. So click on what? Terminals. Many people here they are trying to run like normal Java, Python program. No, not normal guys. What you have to do, you have to click on terminal C. Okay. Here you should write py space manage.py run server and enter. When you enter, make sure that run server should not have any space. It is a one word here. You can check it. Here I wrote it is a one word, not separate. Many people were writing run space server. That's why I'm telling you again this. Okay. And just click on enter. When you click on enter, this link is coming. Click on this link. Now it is asking you to type what? PR software. Again here mistake. Everybody is doing what? Directly selecting and typing PR software. What happened? That previous data what? No, you should not do like this. Here after 0, make it slash and then you write your name called PR software and enter. So I'm getting hello F. So everyone guys follow these steps. Try to understand. Don't by heart. Don't in hurry. Once you got the output, try it 1 or 2 times. And that assignment which I give, that is also you try to do. Clear? So if any doubts, I will discuss in the class.